We about to smash. Hello.
You go first, pick your place. You go first, pick your place. You go first, pick your place.
Anyway, sorry guys, I was trying to do this thing. But anyway, I am going to finally try some first. Like I don't wear makeup. Like I've tried it out, I've tested it out and stuff. So I've tested it out, but I don't like wear makeup. I like it. I think so, like I do like to wear like lip gloss and chapstick. But I never been into makeup, but I want to see if I could try, especially with these really cool colors. I think they'd be really cool. We've got some Fenty Beauty here. This is a bank tank. It's called Bank Tank, and it's an eyeliner. This is kind of like a green color. And we have Grills, which is like this yellow mustard color eyeliner. And I got some Lip Shine because these are really cute. So, and you know, I really like lip stuff, but I want to see if I can get into some eye makeup because I find it really cool. There's a show called Euphoria, and they have some really cool like makeup designs. I think that is like, I don't know, it's just like really cool. Who knows? I know makeup takes a lot of time, like in the morning or like before going to things, and it normally doesn't take me that long to get ready. So, but I wouldn't mind, you know, because that means you're adding more time to be awake during the day. You know what I mean? All right, so let's get this going. Get a nice short video for you guys. Enjoy the video. I hope it's cute. Hope you enjoy it. This is just me trying out some makeup for the first time and trying to do like color eyeliner. So we'll see how it goes.
Like you said, I don't think I wanna do this. I don't think I wanna say it. Say it. I wish I didn't.
Okay, which one should I like to use? I'm not. The camera so many times, I totally apologize. Alright, so A little Vaseline. Vaseline. Okay, so the lips are done. Let's do green. This is a Fenty Beauty bag and Flypencil Longwear pencil eyeliner. So I guess that means like, oh yeah, water resistant, smudge resistant, creamy, color intense glide. Wow. There's a lot that comes, like, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. Jeez. Let's see what it looks like opening it. Oh, sorry. I'm a little aggressive. A little aggressive. All right. And I guess you know. How do you make it taller? Oh god, I don't know how to use it. Should I see? I don't know how this works. So no instructions. What is this? Oh, it's just a whole string. Guys, I'm having a hard time. How does this open? We're back. I'm literally looking to figure out how to use this. I did not know how to use this. For best use, always replace cap tightly. Twist up as needed. Twist up. Twist. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Let's get this started. Let's get this started for real. Alright. You twist up. Like it's slowly going up. You know? And it took me forever to get that. So I'm gonna, like I said, guys, I don't know how to do this the right way. Shouldn't have put it on my eyelashes. Alright, let me try again. Guys, I'm struggling at this. I think I'm just gonna do this. Okay, it seems like I gotta push hard, but I see it now. All right. All right, let me finish. All right, I'm putting too much. Just kind of like did this weird flake thing. I don't have any makeup wipes, so. All right, that was that. Interesting. Vamps and Brunch. This is a really cute box. Look at that. Cute. Look at that color, it's so sparkly. I had my nails that color once. I was feeling like I needed to just be a savage now and wear this majestic, enchanted color. You guys can see that. So yeah, let's try it on. Let me pull it down. All right, that's how I look. I'll show you guys more up close. Yeah, it has this pink, this blue metallic color going on the inside. And it's really cute. I'll be able to see it more closely. In a second, I'm going to put a little bit of this butter gloss from NYX just on the sides. Just, it's kind of like I'm kind of using it as a liner, something to hold it all in. All right, cute, looks good, looks good. So let's see what it looks like. I'll show you guys. I'll flip it around. I like it. I feel like I look like one of those little jungle women, you know, maybe like an Amazon or like little trees or something. Jump from tree to tree, kind of like Tarzan, but not Tarzan. All right, let's see. All right, guys, this is direct window. Okay, this is like all window right here. So this is all window light. What do you guys think? I think it's cool. I think I can't really tell the blue sparks, maybe in the light, maybe more in the dark, we'll see. There's usually like a blue kind of like midnight shimmer, but I like this green eyeliner. It's cute. I think it brings out my eyes because I have like brown eyes, so I think it's cute. Let's go to more dense lighting. All right, this is the like some of the lighting from the mirror. Backlight. Well, I think it's cute. I wish it was just like more blue, more specks of blue that you can see, but I like it. And these are my eyes. I think I did an okay job, you know? All right, guys. If you enjoyed this, let me know. Smash the like button, comment down below if you think these colors are nice. Like I said, I got these two. I got a yellow one too. So in the next video, we'll do the yellow one and we'll do the other lip shine. Cause yeah, I kind of want to just like get into some eye makeup. Have you ever thought about eye makeup? Yeah, so why not, right? We're all getting older. All right, guys. Miles, you okay? All right, guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in. You know, keep it juicy and keep it peachy and relax your soul, your mind, and your spirit. And keep on enjoying yourself and keep on enjoying the people around you. And if you're not enjoying the people around you, do something about it. So, love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you later. Peace.
You go first, pick your place. You go first.